Yo, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, I appreciate all the love and support, man. In today's video, this is going to be a really good one. I got special guests in the building. I know you guys have seen, and if you haven't seen just yet, we got a new bumper that just came in for Prime, and I'm excited because the boys are here in the building at the same time to come help out. And before I even announce who that is just yet, because I'm dying to turn the camera to the left side of me, I did want to say I really appreciate these guys. These guys have gone above and beyond. I can't stress it enough how important it was for me to have this bumper delivered, put on the car, and they're actually here in the building to go ahead and get this install going. Now, the first thing I do want to say is the delivery. Like, I don't know if this can happen for every single person because it depends how far out you are. I happen to be right next door here to California, here in Arizona. And when I ordered the bumper, they had this thing delivered by the next day. So it's gonna start raining, but I wanted to make sure that I captured this clip, and I did want to give a huge shout out to Addict USA, because once I turn this camera over, you're gonna see that they're here in the building, man. Let me go ahead and show you guys who I have with me. Introduce yourself for those that don't know.
What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Addict. I hope you guys are having a good day today. We are here with the one and only Prime in Arizona. Came out from Orange County, Anaheim, from our HQ to come out and introduce our new bumper that we launched about 2 months ago. This is the Zl1 1Le style for the Gen 5 2010 to 2015. So we're assembling it right now for him, making sure everything fits correctly. And then after that, we're going to take off his bumper with the accident and the incident that happened with him recently and giving him a new look. And after that, it should be going to the wrap shop after, correct?
This is true. It's definitely going to get wrapped here soon. But I did want to give a huge shout out to these guys because they literally went out of their way. And, you know, honestly, I didn't even expect for them to be like, hey, you want us to go ahead? We're going to do something special for you. We're going to do this, make this happen. And we got the boys here with us. You guys get to see who the guy is behind the scenes right here. I'm capturing him right here. What's your name, my man?
What's up, guys? Peter with Pixel Shift Media, representing West Coast Maros too. Check them out.
Oh, West Coast Maros in the building, that's for sure.
What's up, man? Mike with Riding 24 Clothing, also representing West Coast Maros.
There you go, man. They family, my man.
Hi, my name is Timoteo.
There you go. And they getting it in, man. I'm gonna let you guys see this little clip right here. Then we're gonna switch it off once the bumper comes off, and I'll show you guys a little bit more where we're at. Perfect. All right, you guys, so welcome back. All right, you guys, so hopefully you guys are ready to see what Prime looks like now. Before I show you guys exactly what Prime looks like right now, I just want to give a huge shout out to Mo and the whole staff, everybody that came out, the fam that came out to help, everybody. You know what I'm saying? I really appreciate it. These guys came out and drove all the way out from California, and make sure you guys hit them up on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, everywhere. Addict USA. I'll make sure that I leave the link in the description down below. But before I show you guys Prime, I am super excited just to let you guys know that I didn't go with the Zl1 standard bumper like I used to have it before. I am missing a splitter, so I'm going to be putting a new splitter on there. So we're working on that. But as of right now, I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to show you that I actually went with the 1LE package, and I absolutely love it. I feel like it just makes the car pop a lot more. So here, let me show you guys. All right, you guys. So looking at the car from this angle, you can automatically see from here how nice the setup is with the 1LE bumper. So it's the Zl1 1LE bumper. Right away, as you can see, on the right side, you're going to notice right there, I got the dive plane on there. On the left side, we got the dive plane on there, and it still shows the DRLs. That is a game changer. So many people want the Zl1 1LE bumper, but when they get the dive planes, you got to lose the DRLs. In this case, you don't have to lose the DRLs. Now, in my situation, I'm going to have a little bit of a gap over here on the right side with my dive plane because I have the wide body. So normally, nobody even touches that to try to even put on the wide body. But in their case, with Addict USA, they still managed to put it on the wide body. Now, they're custom making this work, so when they tap it to the bumper, the only one thing you're going to have, which to me is not an issue at all, is I'm going to have a little gap right here that separates from the DRL, which is not a big deal to me because I want to be able to see that DRL. If my wide body wasn't on, that piece would have pushed up a little bit higher and it would have just sat flush, and you still would have kept the DRLs. So if you don't have a wide body, but you want that bumper so you can have that dive plane, then it'll go all the way up and it'll be just fine. Now, keep in mind, what I have on there is the APR carbon fiber. So this is true carbon fiber all the way around, front to back. It's the same exact kind like my spoiler in the back, the wing. So now I got two pieces of APR parts on the car. What I love about it as well, look at the install. Super clean, nothing sticking up, just flush, super clean. Look at that. Nice, clean stance. I know that you guys are used to seeing Prime on the ground where the splitter is normally touching the floor. In my case right here, the splitter is not touching the floor, but that's okay, because once I get the second splitter that's going to go under there, it's going to get closer to the ground, which we should be fine at that point. But like I said, if you guys are looking for this bumper, it's perfect. It looks aggressive. I love it. You could get a lot of air that goes through to the intercooler, and it fits almost like OEM. Literally, if I could rate this bumper, I would rate this bumper like 95 out of 100. No lie. I would give this bumper a 95 out of 100. So first of all, the weather is extremely weird today because it rained on us. It got hot, it got humid, it got muggy, and then it stopped, and then the sun came out, and then it rained again. I don't understand what's going on. Shout out to Auto Addict USA, because we put a tent together, and they still stayed grinding and kept pushing, and they drove all the way down here from California. So it's absolutely amazing. I do want to go ahead and announce that we also have an official sponsorship where Prime has officially teamed up with Auto Addict USA. So make sure when you guys reach out to them to get your bumper or anything else that you want from their website, give them coupon code PRIME and they'll take care of you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. The big guy is back. Now all we got to do is wrap the front bumper, which we're working on that too. I'm waiting for the film, and then we're going to throw the splitter on there and we're going to be good to go. Huge shout out to APR Performance for providing those dive planes. And obviously, if you guys don't know, I'm sponsored by them as well. So big shout out to those guys, man. Just stay working hard, stay humble, be patient. You'll land these sponsorship deals. Your car will come up in these big shows and events, and you'll get to the point where you're trying to get to, which in my case, I just want to be that person that can help motivate the next. That's it. So if it's your first time on the page, be sure to hit that subscribe button. A like definitely helps out the channel. Leave me a comment down below. What do you think about the new bumper on the car? And if you're planning on getting yours, the link is going to be in the description. But in the meantime, between time, I appreciate you guys till the next video. Hey, Dilla. Bow. Prime time. He's back. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.